a circle, a pendulum, a sine wave, a quantum particle, a bell curve. These have nothing to do with each other. And yet the same number is sitting inside every single one of them. 2 pi.
Why?
Start with what it means. Roll a wheel exactly once around. The distance it covers is the circumference, 2 pi r. Now measure that distance in radius lengths.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, and a sliver. 6.283. That's all 2 pi is. Not a fact about circles. The size of one full turn. So watch what happens when something goes around. Track the height of this dot as it turns and you get a sine wave. The dot comes home. The wave starts over. 1 period, 2 pi. And that's the trick. Anything that repeats is a circle in disguise. A pendulum, a spring, a wave, a planet, an alternating current. They're all a point going around, and going around costs exactly 2 pi. Sometimes there's no circle in sight. The bell curve has a square root of 2 pi in it and no angles anywhere. Until you square it, look from above and sweep once around. The circle was hiding the whole time. So 2 pi isn't a coincidence. It's a fingerprint. Wherever you find it, something in that problem is going around. Even when you can't see the circle.